Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view whole startup program in Windows 10. Guys, it's very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to view whole startup program in Windows 10. Guys, first you need to click on this. Type here to search and open settings. Then guys, click on this apps, then click on this here. You can see left side panel startup. Just you need to click on it. Wait, and which you want to start up, just you need to select this tab, this which you want. You can see you have to just select this type position. That's it. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to view whole startup program in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Bye guys.